Hey guys, so welcome to another makeup tutorial. Today's video is on this half cut crease I created. If you guys want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C8. I'm going to blend it out with a foundation brush, and I'm going to set everything in place with some setting powder. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Norvina palette. I'm going to go with Eccentric. I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease, and this is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with Passion, and I'm also going to apply it right on my crease, and I'm going to focus it more on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to go ahead and pack this on the outer corner of my eye and onto my crease. Now, using a blending brush, I'm just going to blend the transition shade and the passion shade together and make sure there are no harsh lines. To cut my crease, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C8 again. I'm picking up Wild Child, and I did wet my brush a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade all over my half cut crease. Then going back with Passion, I'm just going to blend the Wild Child shade and the Passion together and make sure there are no harsh lines. I also applied a little bit more of the Passion shade on top of where I cut the crease and just blend it out. For lashes, I'm going to be using this Lash Kitty lashes, and these are in the style Ariana. Now I'm just going to clean up any fallouts from the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to apply some LA Girl eyeshadow primer to my waterline. For my lower lash line, I'm going to apply some Eccentric and Passion and just blend it out. I'm picking up Dreamer and I'm just going to apply it to my tear duct. I'm also going to be applying some mascara to my lower lashes. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on any looks, any colors you would like for me to use, definitely leave the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.